Harjit Kang, Commercial Director at Mambu across the Middle East and Africa. 6.5 years in the business, and my role in general is to support the adoption of the Mambu platform across these markets. Mambu is a key component of their architecture. If you look at the core banking systems, most functions are integrated or flow through the core as a system of record. We themselves have got great vision, but of course, with vision, you need a foundation. That's what Mambu provides. It provides them the security and the ability to scale, and it's been a proven success. When we look at partners that are ideal for Mambu, we look at various different things. Understand they have the tech know-how, they've got knowledge in general in banking, and maybe have they done this before? With WEO, they had all of that in place. They have a fantastic team that understood composability. And if you understand composability, that gives you rapid time to market. You saw how quick they went to market, and with that scale that they've adopted, they've really taken composability to the next level. So if we take a step back and actually look at the landscape at the time when WEO became a Mambu customer, they were the first digital bank coming to market out of Abu Dhabi Global Market. There was a team structure that was continuously evolving. We were understanding the regulations in the market as our first customer. So from that aspect, there were many challenges, right? We had to go through the licensing process, ensure that the system was fit for purpose for the regulators, etc. However, we had a fantastic team, and with a collaborative approach, we've had great success. So that's the fundamentals of SaaS and fundamentals of actually Mambu's principles. We allow our customers to scale from vertically and horizontally from the infrastructure perspective. We have customers with multi-millions. So when it comes to that, Mambu is a platform that enables you to do so. So innately, we were set up to support WEO's growth no matter what. Of course, when you look at it from an innovation perspective, we always have our ears to the ground and have continuous conversations with WEO. When they're thinking of new innovative ideas and to the product set, we always make sure that it's available within the Mambu product, so they can go and take that gap in the market like they have successfully have multiple times. Banking as a service, where we've seen great success of banking as a service providers, Mambu has many of those, such as Solaris Banking in Europe. They all adopt that composable banking architecture. With WEO also adopting the same, it's proven that this architecture can be adopted within the Middle East. And actually, Mambu has just onboarded a banking as a service provider in KSA earlier this year that we expect to be going live. So the success of WEO and the proven track record of WEO has opened the doors for Mambu in this market. And also for any other composable banking core that wants to come into the market, people are starting to be a lot more educated around that. I think it's the same for any project. I think the lessons that we've learned that we always share with customers to ensure that it is successful: know your requirements as much as you can. Of course, they change and they evolve. Keeping the same business structure of the C-level and the key stakeholders within the business as the project goes. That has to stay in place, because once that changes and a new individual comes in, the project either gets delayed or it adds a level of complexity or change of requirements. Other than that, having a great systems integrator is imperative. Make sure that they're proven and they can definitely give you that time to market that you want. They are the three main key lessons that we always speak to new prospects about, is ensuring that your team structure stays and you stay to your requirements. That's how you have rapid time to market. Then, once you've got your MVP to market, innovate. Then you can change your requirements, but just get to market quickly. So Mambu is operating in a market which is continuously evolving, especially here in the Middle East. We're seeing it rapidly across KSA, the UAE, and other markets and regions here. So Mambu itself, we've launched the new Islamic profit sharing capability. It's more of an enhancement of the features we already have. So we're now automating the distribution and profit calculations across many Sharia principles. And of course, we operate with continuous development here at Mambu. So there's new features being released no matter what. It's innate to our philosophy as a business.